Hello children, good morning. Welcome to mathematics session. What we learnt in the previous class? Have you remember? Yes, we learnt already plane shapes, solid shapes. Yes, what is the meaning of plane shapes? That means we discussed already some examples. Triangle, rectangle, square, circle. In the same way, solid shapes also. What is the examples of solid shapes? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Yes children, these topics completed we learned already in the previous session. Today we will discuss about some more new topic, that is outline of solid shapes. Outline of solid shapes. Children, if you are not able to draw the circle, what you have to do? Just you have to take any bangle. After that you have to draw the outline of that bangle. So that you can get the circle. Yes or no? Yes. In the same way, solid shapes have also having some outline part. If we draw that outline part, what we get? Let us see. Okay. So children, here we have a cuboid. Yes. So outline of solid shape. Is it solid shape or not? Yes, cuboid is a solid shape. If we draw the outline of the solid shape, what we get? Let us see. Okay. I am just drawing the outline of the given box, which is in the shape of cuboid. So children, what we get? Yes, we get a rectangle. We get the rectangle. In the same way, if you draw like this, outline of the given book. This is the outline part, border. What we get? Yes, we get the outline part of the given book. So, here we are taking solid shape, but outline part is plane shape. Yes, we draw the cuboid. We take already cuboid, but the outline part is rectangle. Outline part is which is in the shape of rectangle. In the same way, if you take any cube shape, what you will get? You will get the shape of square. If you take cube, example of cube, if you draw the outline part of the given object, you get the square shape. That means, why we are choosing like this? The outline, that means the flat surface of cuboid is rectangle. In the same way, flat surface of cube is square. Children, flat surface means this one. This flat surface is which is in the shape of rectangle. In the same way, cube shape also having the flat surface, that is square. So, like this we have to know about outline of given solid shapes. What we get if you draw the cuboid? We get the rectangle. In the same way, if you draw the cube, we get the shape square. This is about cube and cuboid, that means outline of solid shapes. First one over children, outline of solid shapes. And the next one is straight lines and curved lines. What is the meaning of straight line? What is the meaning of curved line? Children, let us see. Observe these two lines. Yes, which is straight, any bending. So this is the straight line. If the line is bending, that line is called as curved line. curved line. Straight line, curved line. Straight line, curved line. Have you observed straight line in the plane shapes? Yes. For example, rectangle. Which is in that rectangle we have all straight lines only. It's not bending like this. Yes, all are straight lines only. In the same way, triangle. Yes. Circle. Is it straight line? No. It is a curved line. That means the line is bending. Line is bending. So that is a curved line. Straight line, curved line. Straight line, curved line. In the same way, children, for example, if you draw the rangoli, compulsory we have to use straight lines, curved lines. Straight lines, curved lines. So, once observe this flower, here what we use it? Straight lines are used or curved lines? Yes, we have to use the curved lines. So, here the line is bending. So, again here. Yes, the same way here circle is there. Circle also curved line. For example, let us see. Observe the next picture. Yes, this is also one design. We have to use the straight lines or curved lines. Have you observed? Yes, these total shapes are plane shapes only. Yes, square, all squares we take it. That means we use it only straight lines. Here we use it curved lines. Straight lines, curved lines. Straight line, curved line. Okay, this is about straight line, curved line. And the next one, children, drawing a, in the straight lines and curved lines, in straight line we have three different types of lines. What are they? Let us see. Horizontal line, that means sleeping line. What is that? Sleeping line. And the second one is vertical line. What is that? Vertical line. What we call vertical line? That is standing line. What we call standing line. And the last one is slanting line. Slanting line. In these straight lines, again we have three different types of straight lines. What are they? Horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Horizontal, vertical, slanting. In this horizontal line, again we have to call sleeping line. If you write the English letters, compulsory we have to follow the sleeping line. Which letter is sleeping line? We have to write standing line, slanting line. Like that we have to use. Sir, no? Yes. So this is a sleeping line. This is standing line, and this is slanting line. Children, where we are using this sleeping line? To draw the rectangle. Yes. For example. Yes. We have to draw the rectangle, we have to use the horizontal line, that is standing. So that is sleeping line. In the same way, vertical line also there. Here also we have to draw the plane shapes. For example, square, yes, rectangle. Like this we have to draw the plane shapes by using the vertical line or standing line. line. And one more is there, slanting line. That means the line some bend. Yes. Where we are using this slanting line? To draw the triangle. To draw the triangle. Yes. The line is straight, but the direction will be different. So the slanting line we have to use to draw the triangle, and standing line and sleeping line we have to draw the remaining plane figures. This is about straight lines, curved lines. Straight line, curved line. The same way, third one, drawing a straight line. Drawing a straight line. What we have to do for the straight line? We have to use some. What we have to use? Yes, to draw the straight lines, we have to use the ruler. What is the meaning of ruler? Scale. Scale, have you know? Yes, to draw the straight lines, we have to use the ruler. So see, children. Yes, this is a ruler. If you draw correctly, if you draw straightly, we have to use the, that means ruler. How to use this? How to use? Take any straight edged object like book or pencil. Yes. Let us see. You just hold it correctly. Then after we get the straight line by using the ruler or by using any straight line object. By using any straight line object. So children, you also practice directly without any ruler. Just practice the lines like this. Okay. To finally you get straight lines. In the same way, you have to practice the curved lines also. And the third one, viewing the objects by observing their shadows. What is the meaning of this? Children, once you have to observe. Light the torch and keep a ball in front of it. Adjust the torch and the ball is in such a way the shadow of ball is on the wall. What is the meaning of this? Children, if you know about the shadow of given object, what you have to do? First, you have to place it the remaining plane shape or solid shape you have to take. After that, in front of that object, you put a torch light. Yes. Finally, if you on the torch light, finally you get the shadow on the wall. So, where you have to do this work, this activity, you have to do in dark room without any lighting. Only torchlight focus, we get the full shadow of the given object. So children, this is about, we have learned what we learned in the class. Outline of solid shapes, straight lines and curved lines, drawing a straight line, how to draw, viewing the objects by observing their shadows. In the tomorrow class, next session we will discuss about patterns. Okay, thank you.